students, welcome back to Czech Forum. I am Nishtha Gupta and today we are going to start an English grammar chapter. तो हम सब ने बहुत सारी पोएम्स पढ़ी होंगी. पोएम्स को अट्रैक्टिव बनाने के लिए कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस यूज करते हैं जिन्हें हम कहते हैं पोएटिक डिवाइसेस. सो फ्रॉम द इंट्रो यू मस्ट हैव गॉट टू नो दैट हम इस वीडियो में पोएटिक डिवाइसेस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. As written on the board, poetic devices are used for catchy lines in poem so that our poem sounds more attractive. The poetic devices which we will be covering in this video are alliteration, metaphor, simile and repetition. Moving ahead to explanation of each poetic devices. Alliteration is repetition of consonant or consonant sound in same or adjacent line. जब भी किसी पोएम में कोई भी पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सोनेंट हर दूसरे वर्ड के बाद रिपीट हो रहा हो या हर दूसरी लाइन में रिपीट हो रहा हो तो वहां पे एलिट्रेशन होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक गो एंड गैदर द ग्रीन लीव्स फ्रॉम द ग्रास. हियर यू कैन सी दैट द कॉन्सोनेंट जी इज बीइंग रिपीटेड आफ्टर एवरी वर्ड इन द सेम लाइन. जैसे गो, गैदर, ग्रीन, ग्रास. So G is being repeated and it's a consonant. Here it is alliteration. We have another example from the chapter The Poem of Adventure of class 7. The example is a new step you bounce a bit. Here the consonant B is repeated in the words bounce and bit. So we can have these examples of alliteration. I hope it's clear to you all. Moving to our next point, that is metaphor. So metaphor helps us to compare two or more things without using like or as. So, if we have two things which are of similar qualities, metaphor will help us to compare them, but just keep in mind that it doesn't use like or as between them. Because further we will be studying simile, which is very much similar to metaphor. तो बस आपको एक point ध्यान रखना है that metaphor में we don't use like or as between the objects we are comparing. The example of metaphor can be taken as time is money. ये phrase आपने कई बार सुना होगा. So what it says is that time is as precious as money. तो इसको छोटे में शॉर्ट करने के लिए we say time is money. हम टाइम को मनी की जितनी वैल्यू दे रहे हैं and therefore metaphor is used over here क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे as या like वर्ड बिना यूज किए टाइम को मनी से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. Our next example is from the chapter Meadow Surprises. Here is a sentence which says walk softly through the velvet grass. तो कोई भी ग्रास वेलवेट की नहीं होती until and unless it is an artificial grass. तो ये सेंटेंस कह रहा है that we should walk softly through a velvet grass. It's talking about a velvet grass which says कि वो जो ग्रास है उसका टेक्सचर इज as soft as a velvet. आप सबने वेलवेट के कपड़े देखे हैं तो वेलवेट इज वेरी सॉफ्ट इन टेक्सचर. Here the sentence is saying the same thing that the grass is of the velvet texture. वो वेलवेट के जैसी सॉफ्ट है without यूजिंग लाइक और एज. यहाँ पे हमने ग्रास को वेलवेट से कंपेयर किया है. Therefore it is metaphor. Here comes the twin brother of metaphor, simile. So as I told earlier that simile is very much similar to metaphor. Only the difference is that here we use the words like or as. So simile helps us to compare between two or more objects by using the words like or as. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक माइन्यूट सा डिफरेंस है जो आपको ध्यान में रखना है. सिमिली में हम लाइक और एज वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं whereas मेटाफोर में हम ये वर्ड्स यूज नहीं करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल फॉर सिमिली इज पेल एज अ लेट विंटर मून. हियर वी आर कंपेयरिंग एन ऑब्जेक्ट विद द लेट विंटर मून. सो वी आर सेइंग दैट इट इज पेल एज अ लेट विंटर मून. हियर वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड एज. So therefore it's a simile. Another example of simile is from the chapter of class 6th from a railway carriage. It is a poem in which there is a line charging along like troops in a battle. It's talking about the bogies of the train which says like it's charging like it's moving along like a troops in a battle. एक battle में जिस तरह से troops charge करते हैं वैसे ही वो ट्रेन का engine sound कर रहा है. Here we are comparing the engine of the train from the battle troops by using the word like over here. Therefore it's also simile. Coming to our last topic for today, which is repetition. Repetition is used when a word or phrase is repeated. It is डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एलिट्रेशन. एलिट्रेशन में कॉन्सोनेंट रिपीट होता था या कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड रिपीट होता था. इन रेपिटेशन एक पूरा वर्ड या फ्रेज रिपीट होता है. एग्जाम्पल फॉर रेपिटेशन इज ब्रेको ब्रेक. Here the word break is repeated. The next example is all I did was smile, smile and smile. Here the word smile is being repeated 3 times. So this is how repetition works. So I hope you all are clear with these 4 poetic devices we did today. Poetic devices are one of those topics which seems to us to be very difficult and confusing, but they actually are not that difficult. It's just matter of understanding them once. I hope you'll visit the channel and understand it better. And I wish that you all make your own poems and comment down in the comment section. Please use these poetic devices in your poems to make them look more attractive and sounds better. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe.